Since the Fossil Gen 6 is a powerful smartwatch compatible with the upcoming Wear OS 3 from 2022, it is already a more straightforward recommendation than previous devices. With a circular casing, a physical crown, 2 buttons, and a traditionally nubbled bezel, the watch offers a slew of communication, entertainment, and fitness features in one package. To simplify, we separated the review into different sections. Without further ado, let's get started. The Gen 6 has an elegant look that is both modern and durable, thanks to its circular screen, metal body, ridged bezel, and large mechanical controls. It has an excellent AMOLED screen. In terms of brightness, color, and clarity, it is on par with the Series 7 Apple Watch and the Galaxy Watch 4 from Samsung. It comes with 2 interchangeable textured silicone bands, black and bright green. We also have a dozen alternative strap options ranging in price from $29 to $49, each with its own unique color scheme and material construction. The Fossil Gen 6 is compatible with iOS and Android and supports step counting, sleep monitoring, calorie burning, and more. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. In general, this device was quite simple to use and did a decent job of providing accurate readings for the number of steps taken and the user's heart rate. Our experts observed that newer versions of cell phones were very simple to pair, somewhat simple to interact with, and very simple to connect to a charger. In a nutshell, the performance score is 82 out of 100. And Outlook is best buy. There are more than 1,500 reviews available on Amazon, and around 65% are rated 5 stars. Analyzing customer reviews has shown that consumers like the Gen 6's elegant design, AMOLED screen, and built-in GPS. While Wear OS clumsiness and one-day battery life are 2 of the most common complaints from users. Thanks for watching. In our playlist, you'll get buying guide, the top 10 brands, and some of our recommended brand details. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.